What is up, YouTube? This is Zach and Clay with Dreamedia Home Theater. Another beautiful day here in Frisco, Texas. We're out here on a patio showing off a really common application, which is in-ceiling patio speakers. I got this big truck over here that's whistling at me, so I'm gonna be screaming at you guys in this video, as well as Clay is gonna scream at you guys. But anyways, this is real life, and we are out here doing it, guys. If you aren't a subscriber, smash that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. If you want to purchase anything for your home, audio, video related, we have you covered with nationwide free shipping, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, I'm gonna pass this off to Clay right after the intro.
All right, guys, welcome back. We're outside on the patio here in Plano, Frisco, Texas. And the end ceilings on the patio here, we have two episode 350Ts, all-weather AWs, okay? So they can withstand moisture and things like that. If you just put regular speakers out here on your patio, they can get brittle. And if you play them too loud, they will pop and they will break. Okay, so you want to get the all-weather speakers if you're going to do outdoor speakers, including the end ceiling on your patio. We can also do satellite speakers out here, in-ground subs, we got it all. Any of your outdoor needs, we can handle it.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on our completed installation of the all-weather episode in-ceiling speakers. I've also made install videos showing how these are actually cut into the ceiling, and Clay was pointing out the fact that these aren't exactly lined up with the studs and how he had to etch out that trim there on the ceiling. That is custom, and that is just something that we are willing to overcome in situations where the builder pre-wires it in a less than ideal situation. So where I'm going here is we have the pros ready to help complete your project and make sure that it still looks sweet, even if we're dealt difficult cards. All right, guys, if you would like to purchase, make sure to reach out and show your support. Like Clay said, we offer everything landscape, audio, video related. You need a Sunbright TV up here on the wall? We have you covered. You need that theater put in? We have you covered. TVs mounted? Everything. Security cameras? I could go on forever. You guys you're catching my drift. Anyways, if you would like to purchase, give us a call and show your support. Till next time, this is Zach and Clay with Dreamedia Home Theater out here with BTZ in Frisco, Texas. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait, Dreamedia, come back! We need you!